Before the river burned, they loved like the world was ending. The Moon Maiden and the Weaver's Son, a Hmong epic of war, fate and love. The year is 1960. The air hangs thick and heavy with the promise of rain, and the distant drums of war beat softly against the misty highlands of Laos. Upon the great Mekong, a river steamer cuts through the jade waters, a floating world of dreams and destinies. Luna, daughter of the village's most revered healer, was born under the glow of a full moon. Her life, like the river's course, was predetermined. She is betrothed to the son of a powerful warlord, a union meant to secure peace and prosperity for her people. Silas, an orphan raised by the clang and fire of a blacksmith's forge, knows nothing of such gilded cages. He is a labourer on the steamer, his hands calloused, his heart untamed. He represents the earth, the grit, the silent strength that underpins Luna's world. Their eyes meet amidst the swirling mists and the rhythmic churn of the paddle wheel. A shared glance, a fleeting moment of recognition, a connection forged in the heart of the Laotian landscape. She speaks in riddles, her voice like the chime of distant temple bells. He answers in song, his melody echoing the ancient stories of the river. "I don't know your name," she whispers, her eyes searching his, "but I already miss you." Their love blossoms in stolen moments, a fragile flower pushing through the cracks of a rigid world, a wooden flute played at dusk, its notes weaving through the humid air. A silk sash, the colour of moonlight, hidden in the depths of his work chest. During the New Year's festival, they dance beneath the flickering glow of river lanterns. The world fades away, leaving only the rhythm of their hearts and the silent promise in their eyes. But shadows lurk beneath the surface. Hidden weapons lie concealed in the steamer's cargo hold, a grim foreshadowing of the approaching war. Whispers of secrets threaten to unravel Luna's family's reputation, casting a pall over their fragile happiness. Their relationship is a precarious dance on the edge of a precipice. Stolen moments are punctuated by the ever-present threat of discovery, of separation, of war. The tension mounts, a storm gathering on the horizon. The ambush comes without warning, a brutal eruption of violence that shatters the serenity of the river. Bullets tear through the air, fire engulfs the steamer, and chaos reigns. The river, once a symbol of life, becomes a raging torrent of destruction. Silas, despite his humble origins, rises to the occasion. He aids the villagers, tending to the wounded, protecting the children. His courage and compassion shine like a beacon in the darkness. In the midst of the inferno, their eyes meet one last time. He presses his flute into her hand, a silent promise of remembrance. Then, with a final, heartbreaking glance, he disappears into the burning river. He sacrifices himself to save others, his love a shield against the storm. Luna, clinging to a piece of his sash, watches in despair as the river claims him. The tangible reminder of their love, a small piece of silk, is all that remains. Decades have passed. The war has faded into memory, but its scars remain etched upon the land. An old woman, her face lined with the wisdom and sorrow of years, walks alone by the riverbank. She speaks to the mist, her voice a low murmur carried on the wind. She keeps Silas's memory alive, a flame flickering in the darkness. His name is a prayer on her lips, a song in her heart. On New Year's Eve, a child discovers a flute wedged between the river stones. It is dry and untouched, as if preserved by the river itself. A relic of a love lost, a testament to a sacrifice made. The flute becomes a symbol of their enduring love, a love that transcends time and loss. It becomes a song carried on the wind, a melody that echoes through the generations. The eternal nature of their bond, a whisper in the rustling leaves. Love doesn't vanish, it just becomes a song carried by the wind, a testament to the enduring power of love in the face of adversity. A beautiful and tragic story set against the backdrop of a tumultuous historical moment.